Time to relax, get back in shape and enjoy a nice cup of tea. Really like this tea. Well, during our time in Georgia and in Turkey, we did visit more plantations, more vineyards, and we tried more wines than what we showed you on the vlog. And the main reason why we didn't show you more was because either the footage was terrible or because I accidentally erased it. One of the ones we met were the renegade tea farmers. A very curious and interesting project. They immigrated, the entire team immigrated into Georgia because they want to bring Georgian tea back into the world. And it's really cool. They are very ambitious with their project. They have 3 tea estates. They have 1 factory that you can help build for the next few days. They still have a crowdfunding campaign running. Down below it's going to be linked, so go check it out, see if it's interesting for you. For us, I found the project very interesting. It is a very early project, so there was no tea yet to try, but it was very nice to see such an ambitious project. It was very nice to see such ambitious people thinking far ahead in the future, planning really well, and I have no reason to believe the tea is not going to be fantastic. I'm going to keep an eye on them, on their project, and as soon as they get their tea ready, I really want to try and show you a little bit of what that is all about. But talking about tea, I need some more. As you may remember, we also visited in this episode the Nagomari tea estate. And once we got into Tbilisi, Nana, the chairman of the company, talked to us, explained a little bit about the project and answered all our questions. And for that, thank you so much. The Nagomari tea estate is not a tea estate per se, it's a cooperative. So a lot of people chip in to give their teas to create the Nagomari teas. And it was very nice to see this project that has a couple of years. It's not a very old project, has 2-3 years if memory doesn't fail right now. And they're already producing their tea. We only tried 1 of them. They also produce some infusions, tea mixed with other herbs and plants. We tried 1 black tea, very interesting. I would like to have tried more. Sadly, we did not have that opportunity, but it was very cool to talk to Nana, to see that a company like that has a deep knowledge, not only about Georgian history, Georgian farming, Georgian tea history, and where they think Georgian tea needs to be in the future. It's going to be very interesting to see what they're going to produce with all the ideas that she explained to us. And it was so nice for us to meet people like the renegade tea farmers, like Nana from Nagomari tea, that have a very good and clear vision to what they think the tea is gonna be like in Georgia in the next couple of years. And we're gonna be here to see where that's going, to taste what they are picking from the ground and share all of that with you. So for me, for Charlotte, thank you so much to them, and thank you so much to you, because you guys keep on sending us messages for wishing our get well fast, and thank you. That means a lot to us. Really like this tea. And with 1 last sip, see you guys next week. Very nice tea.